Hello friends, my name is Akil and welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous video, we learned what is class binding and how to use it. In this video, we will learn what is style binding and how to use it. So style binding basically is a way to add dynamic styles to our HTML. Like if we have a paragraph tag and we want to add dynamic styles to it based on some condition, then we can use style binding. Its syntax is similar to class binding, but the differences are like in the class binding we use class and then dot and then the name of the class that we want to apply. But in the style binding we use the style keyword, and then after the dot syntax we use any styles here if we want to add inside our HTML. Now let's say we have a paragraph tag and we want to add dynamic styles to it based on some condition, then we can use it. We have paragraph tag and inside here we have hello world, and we want to add dynamic styles like if we want to change the color of this based on some condition, style. And then there are different ways to use style binding. One way is to use just style and then use the object notation to specify any styles. Like here we can specify color and then the value of its color, like blue. Let's go to the terminal and let's say what happens. ng serve -o. So as you can see, the color is applied to the hello world, which is coming from the style. Now to use the other way of style binding, we can take another paragraph tag and inside here we can say the other way of style binding, and inside the paragraph tag we will use style and then any style that we want to add like color, and inside here we will use the double quotes, and inside the double quotes we will use the single quotes to specify the color. We can specify the color like blue, and let's look here into the browser. As you can see, the color is now turned to blue. Now if we want to change the color of the text based on some condition, then we can go to the ts file of and here we can create a method to change its color. To change color, and then inside here we can specify any property, like we will say the color change color of paragraph string is equal to, initially it will be black, and when we want to change it we can set it from the change color method. This dot change color of paragraph is equal to blue or anything like blue, sky blue, or any color. Now we will use it inside our style. We will take another paragraph tag. Inside here we will specify any text like color being changed by change color method, and inside, and we will take a button and on the button click we want to make changes. So inside here change color, and here we can specify the method. Now if we go to the browser and let's say what happens if we click this, the color is not applied because we haven't configured the style on any paragraph tag, which is coming from the property change color of the paragraph. So we will specify it here, and style dot color is equal to this one. Now the initial color of the text will be black, and when we click the button we could see that the color will be changed to blue. So as you can see, the color of the text is now changed to blue. So this is how we use style binding to change the colors or anything or any styles we want to apply dynamically. So thanks for watching the video and stay tuned for more video lectures like this.